Hi, thank you for joining us today. We're going to talk about vision insurance. Vision insurance is a plan that is offered both through an individual basis, also through group plans. Lots of opportunities with vision insurance, depending on what your needs for your primary care doctor would suggest. Annual basis vision plans are very important to have, especially if you have any underlying health concerns.
The vision plan's made up into a couple of different components. You've got, of course, your premium, if there is one. If your employer is supplying it, that's wonderful. Now, a lot of times you might be asked to share in part of that cost or pay for your dependents in some form. There's the cost factor. There's, of course, the PPO network. All the vision plans do have their own network of providers where you get preferred benefits and enhanced benefits from those specific providers. The providers are made up into optometrists and ophthalmologists. An ophthalmologist is in most cases would be an MD that possibly does surgery as well, and so you'd want to be aware if you get into a more complex situation, an ophthalmologist might be a good choice for you. The additional features of the vision plan is it's usually based on a certain frequency cycle. The frequency cycle would be, for example, it's very common to see an exam every 12 months, 12, 12, 12. And also you might be also getting new lenses on a 12-month basis too. And typically frames are either 12 or 24 months on that cycle. One thing to think about that cycle, it's not an annual situation per se, like we think of a medical deductible. This is on for example, if you were to go in February of a specific year, your 12-month cycle begins at that point. So your next visit would be scheduled to be 12 months after that point for the exam, and everything would be based on that previous visit as far as that 12, possibly 12 or 24 month cycle goes. The rest of the program, of course, there is an out-of-network benefit if you happen to not find a provider that you are comfortable with, but in most cases you can easily find a provider. The vision is strictly for the exam, the frames, and the lenses. As far as operations, medical operations, those would be covered by your medical plan. You'd want to make sure that you get your exam done on a regular basis. So many times there's additional potential medical problems that would be detected during that visit, and the visit is for your benefit as well as for updating your progression on your eyes. And hopefully you're never going to need glasses, but if you do, don't be upset about it. Today's glasses are much better than they've ever been in the past.
There are a lot of brand name lines of coverage out there regarding vision insurance, but you'd be surprised how many opportunities they are based on the doctor of your choice, what networks that those doctors might be in. That's where you do a lot of your decision making based on the network of the doctor available. In addition to that, what benefits may be in there as far as the frame allowance and the frequency. Also, you may want to look into your health insurance plan. It does offer some opportunities there. Some do give you a free exam based on the network that is available to you. Also, you have children built into there. Those under the age of 18 do have pediatric vision built in under the PPACA as an opportunity there to get the kids' eyes checked in a more frequent manner. Maybe mom or dad aren't doing that yet. So, but with that, we kind of bid you adieu. Have a great day, and thank you very much.